Here's some breaking news coming in. Rift in TMC over Kolkata CP. Kunal Ghosh differs from colleague Sukhendu. Kunal Ghosh says, I also demand justice in RG Kaur case, but strongly oppose this demand regarding CP. After he got information, he's tried his best. Personally, CP was doing his job and investigation was in a positive focus. This kind of post is unfortunate, that too from a senior leader, is what Kunal Ghosh has said. Sukhendu had earlier said that CBI should probe the Kolkata CP fairly. That's the latest breaking news. Rift in TMC over Kolkata CP. Kunal Ghosh has now differed from his colleague Sukhendu, who had called for a fair probe of the Kolkata CP by the CBI. Kunal Ghosh has said, I also demand justice in RG Kaur case, but strongly oppose this demand regarding the CP. He says, after he got the information, he has tried his best. Personally, the CP was just doing his job and investigation was in a positive focus. Kunal Ghosh says, this kind of post is unfortunate, that too from a senior leader. TMC Sukhendu Ray had earlier called for the CBI to probe the Kolkata CP fairly. Ritik Mondal is live with us on the broadcast for more on this. Ritik, help us understand why there is a rift in the TMC over this Kolkata CP.
Absolutely, Chetna. Interestingly, the rift has started inside the TMC as well. Remember the Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, who considered as a very veteran leader and senior politician of the ruling dispensation. He tweeted on his social media post and said that he demanded that the probing agency, the central probing agency CBI, should grill the involvement of the Kolkata Police Commissioner. And of course, he also shot for the custodial interrogation of the former principal of the RG Kaur Medical College Hospital. Remember, today is the third day, when Shandip Ghosh, the former principal, who several questions are being raised against him, he has been summoned by the probing team. Now, Sukhendu Shekhar Roy demand, a fair investigation and questioning of both these persons. One, the top cop of the Kolkata Police, and of course the former principal by the central probing agency. Now what we do see that it also come as a backlash for the party. The Kunal Ghosh tries to defend the role of the Kolkata Police Commissioner. He also reacted stating that the action were taken by the top cop with regard to this investigation was absolutely right, but they also said he also demanded justice for the victim lady. But what we do see that, remember, this is not the first time that Sukhendu Shekhar Roy being very, very vocal with regard to this incident. Even a couple of days back, he also spoke in media. He also staged protest and also held rallies against this. The night of the reclaim, but the night call was given. That afternoon even we did see that this veteran politician also protested over this incident. Now what we can see that it has turned into a row inside the party. Kunal Ghosh, who is known as the spokesperson for the party, amidst a situation when trouble are mounting for the TMC, we see a very veteran leader is also demanding thorough investigation and questioning of the Kolkata Police Commissioner Vinit Goyal and the former principal of the college, that Shandip Ghosh, and that has led a new row political escalation. Back to you.